Hey guys, today I received an email from one of my old friends and one of the oldest traders that we had in Bearable Traders. Let's read his email. He mentioned that he had an amazing January, but now he actually went through a very heavy loss in just 1 week. He made over $110,000 in January, and then in 1 week he lost all of it. And now his big concern and main question is, how can he recover from that loss? That's why in this video, I want to talk about how to recover from a very bad loss, like $100,000 in 1 week. As you see in his email, he unfortunately got into that tilt and he lost majority of the win in January. And that's a big question that now he has from me, that he's confused. What should he do now? He's into really making one YOLO trade. You live only once trade and make all of that money back. Or you just back into the simulator or get yourself into shape and make that money. So he asked that question from me, how to recover from a $100,000 loss in a day or in a week. My answer to him was that going heavy and become aggressive in trading is the worst thing that you can do. When I had that $2 million loss on TNA, I just was looking for something to go excessively on leverage and make that money back. And that was the really, really bad thought. Ardi talked me out of it. And by getting back into the small share trading size and forgetting about that loss, I'm now on the way to really recover that loss. And hopefully in this year, I can recover that loss. But you have to accept that that money is gone. Learn from the mistakes that you did and start from the beginning, slow and steady. Slow and steady is the name of the game. So if you have a severe loss, like a $200,000 or $100,000 loss in a week, just going and gambling everything that you have on another heavy trade is not the right approach to do. I highly recommend maybe take some time off from trading or go back to the simulator, and when you go live, start building that confidence again. It's very, very important for you guys when you're having a bad trading day or a bad trading week and have something like that, do not trade heavy and do not trade YOLO, like you live only once type of approach, because then that could be disaster again. A lot of people, that's an expression in finance, that people go bankrupt slowly and then suddenly. You know what that means? That means that people making bad decisions financially and eventually they become so agitated and so frustrated that suddenly they make something that they just wipe out everything that they have. That's true in trading, that's true also in life. People go bankrupt slowly and then suddenly. Extremely be careful when you're having a bad day or bad week. So my friend who lost $100,000 in a week, yes, it's painful. I feel your pain. I know that's a lot of money. You can think about so many things that you could do with that money, but that money is gone. What is in front of you is the opportunity to learn from that mistake and build that confidence and money slowly. Well, thanks for watching. Let's see what the market did today.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. So today we had a couple of really amazing trading opportunity. For me, the only trade that was really nice was Apple. At the open, the time and sales in Apple was very, very, very bullish. I did a really nice 1 minute opening range breakup on that. So the time and sales, the time and sales was really, really, really bullish on that, and we had a really, really nice 1 minute opening range breakup on Apple. After that, I got stopped out, and I was kind of done with my day. Apple eventually came back up and moved up during the day, but for me, it was just interesting to see that one. It went all the way up to 153, and during the day, it was completely strong. And then we had at around 12:40, we had the Fed's speech. Jay Powell was speaking. I don't know what he said exactly, but the market rallied and then the market dropped. Apple went red again and then market rallied again. And it seems that I think what he said was that the supply chain issues are really helping, that the inflation is coming down. And he's still hopeful that we're going to have the price stability, low inflation, without really destroying the job market. If they can't, that's called soft landing. Soft landing is when they bring down the inflation, get to the price stability without forcing people out of the work. If they can't, and if the job market stays strong and inflation doesn't come down, then they have to engineer a recession. They have to force businesses to put so much pressure on the businesses that they start letting people go to get the price stability. A lot of people say, okay, why price stability is more important than job employment? Because based on, I listened to all of his talks and all of their statements, and what they say is that the price stability, low inflation, overall helps the middle class and the lower class people. Even though the job employment is good, but having a price stability is more important than maximum employment. That's why if they cannot do this soft landing, if they can't bring down the inflation without destroying the job market, then they will eventually force a recession to get that. Other than that, I think that was a really good trade that I did. I had 2 trades on so these are the trades that I did. I had 2 trades on Amazon. I tried to cash the Amazon reversal with options. That was not really successful, and overall it turned out to be a very, very solid and decent trading day that I had. And in terms of position that I'm having right now, so I have some treasury. I bought some treasuries, which is SHI. I'm short Tesla 215 and 220 by selling some puts, and I'm long on SSO and TQQ. So trading day was a really, really good day. So hopefully looking forward to see that. And it looks like the market really, really went into a bull market. So as you see, the SPY S&P 500 is still strong, and it seems that we continue this move up. We'll see how it goes. Well, thanks for watching. Leave your comments, and if you have any question, looking forward to see you in the chat, guys. And by the way, San Diego is coming March 2nd and 3rd, 2 days event. So looking forward to see all of you in San Diego, guys.